Hello friends, today we are going to learn some of the SQL important questions. These are the basic questions but they are very important. So let's start. What is DBMS? DBMS stands for a database management system is a program that controls creation, maintenance and use of a database. DBMS can be termed as file manager that manages data in a database rather than saving it in file systems. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. RDBMS stored the data into the collection of tables which is related by common fields between the columns of the table. It also provides relational operators to manipulate the data stored into the tables. What is a primary key? A primary key is a combination of fields which uniquely specify a row. This is a special kind of unique key and it has implicit not null constraint. It means primary key values cannot be null. What is a foreign key? A foreign key is one table which can be related to the primary key of another table. Relationship needs to be created between two tables by referencing foreign key with the primary key of another table. What is a join? This is a keyword used to query data from more tables based on the relationship between the fields of the tables. Keys play an important role when joins are used. What is an index? An index is performance tuning method of allowing faster retrieval of records from the table. What are all the different types of indexes? There are three types of indexes: unique index, clustered index and non-clustered index. Unique index. This indexing does not allow the field to have duplicate values if the column is unique indexed. Unique index can be applied automatically when primary key is defined. Clustered index. This type of index reorders the physical order of the table and search based on the key values. Each table can have only one clustered index. Non-clustered index. Non-clustered index does not alter the physical order of the table and maintains logical order of data. Each table can have 999 non-clustered indexes. What is a relationship and what are they? Database relationship is defined as the connection between the tables in a database. There are various databasing relationships and they are as follows: one-to-one relationship, one-to-one many relationships, many-to-one relationship, and self-referencing relationship. What is a query? A database query is a code written in order to get the information back from the database. Query can be designed in such a way that it matched with our expectation of the result set. Simply a question to the database. What is a subquery? A subquery is a query within another query. The outer query is called as main query and inner query is called subquery. Subquery is always executed first and the result of the subquery is passed on to the main query. What are the differences between delete and truncate commands? Delete command is used to remove rows from the table and where clause can be used for conditional set of parameters. Commit and rollback can be performed after delete statement. Whereas truncate removes all rows from the table. Truncate operation cannot be rolled back. What is data warehouse? Data warehouse is a central repository of data from multiple sources of information. Those data are consolidated, transformed, and made available for the mining and online processing. Warehouse data have a subset of data called data marts. What is online transaction processing? Which is nothing but OLTP. Online Transaction Processing (OLTP) manages transaction-based applications which can be used for data entry, data retrieval, and data processing. OLTP makes data management simple and efficient. Unlike OLAP system, goal of OLTP systems is a serving real-time transactions. A simple example is below. Bank transactions on a daily basis is a simple example for online transaction processing. What is an alias command? Alias name can be given to a table or column. This alias name can be referred in where clause to identify the table or column. Below is the simple example for alias command. What are the differences between SQL and PL/SQL? Differences between PL and SQL. SQL is a query execution or commanding language, where PL/SQL is a complete programming language. SQL is very declarative in nature. PL/SQL has a procedural nature. SQL is used for manipulating data, where PL/SQL is used for creating applications. SQL is data-oriented language, where PL/SQL is a procedural language. We can execute one statement at a time in SQL, where we can execute block of statements in PL/SQL. SQL tells database what to do, where PL/SQL tells database how to do. These are the most frequently important questions. I will come up with a few more important questions in next video. Please subscribe to my channel and keep learning. Thank you.